So today I'm going to show you how to set up the Profit First method on your Relay business bank account. Now we're going to hop over here on our desktop so you can follow along step by step. Now, as we go through this at the end of the video, I'll also show you how to add additional bank accounts if you do not already have them, but this is going to assume that you already have those additional accounts set up. All right, so what I'm going to do is actually hop off screen here so you can actually zoom in entirely here on the screen. And you can actually see here with our Relay account, we're currently on the home page, and right underneath that is our accounts page. Now, if you actually kind of go over and hover on this, there is going to be a drop-down menu. So let's go ahead and click on this. And that's going to take us to our accounts tab over here. You can see all of our different accounts over here. And we want to set up the Profit First method. So some of our money in our checking account can go into our savings or some of our other checking accounts that we have set up. In order to do that, here under the left-hand side of the accounts tab, there is going to be a section that says auto transfer rules. Let's go ahead and click on this. And that's going to go ahead and bring us to the auto transfer rules page. And you can see there are actually two different account settings that we can have. We can do a maximum balance rule, or we can go ahead and click on the Profit First rule, which is of course the option we're going to choose today, since that's the method we want to follow. All right, so the first thing it's going to ask you here is a nickname for this rule transfer, keeping in mind that you can always edit the name here, but also this helps organize things if you have additional rules that you're going to add in the future. And the next thing it's going to ask you is for the frequency. So you can have every week. You can toggle this over and switch it to every day, every month, or even twice a week. And then which day of the week that is going to happen on. And then the next thing it's going to ask you is how much do you want to keep in whichever account you want that everything else is going to get pulled from. So as a quick example, let's just say we want to have $5,000 left in our operations account. So everything beyond that 5,000 will go ahead and have it split up with all the other accounts that we're going to showcase here next. So it says, and then transfer the excess balance to which accounts. And so what this is going to mean right over here is which accounts we want the excess money to go to and what those percentages are. So for example, we have a business savings account, maybe we have our marketing account, maybe a finance, and maybe some IT stuff, right? And so we could say, hey, anything that goes above this 5,000, so let's say it's $500, 50% of that is going to go to our savings. The 30% is going to go to our marketing, 15% goes to our finance, and 5% goes to our IT systems. Now, if you have additional accounts, you can go ahead and add them here, or you can delete these, but everything here total needs to come out to 100, because if you go underneath that, down here at the bottom, it's going to show you that we need to hit that 100%. So obviously, if you need to move this over to whatever amount to go ahead and make that work, you can do so. So that way, everything in the operations keeps at a certain dollar amount, and then any of that excess goes into these different accounts. Obviously, if you have, profit sharing, you can go ahead and create that, or whichever different accounts that you have that you want to move to, this is where you're going to be able to add them. Now, do keep in mind that whatever percentages you set over here, you can always come back in the future and edit these percentages or create additional rules that you might want to play with in the future. Now, if everything here looks good, we can go ahead and click on Create Auto Transfer Rule to go ahead and start setting up your Profit First method to be able to utilize with your Relay business bank account. Now, I mentioned earlier, if you're actually curious on how to open up additional accounts so you can create this Profit First method transfer system, I'm going to actually post my video right over here to show you how to open up those additional bank accounts with your Relay business bank.